Hello, my name is Tina Melinda. In this occasion, I would like to present my work. The title is The Impact of Using Memrise on Student Perception of Learning Latin Vocabulary and on Long-Term Memory of Words. I will start the introduction. From introduction, Memrise is an online self-study program which I had used myself to learn Latin vocabulary. Its main benefits for me were its portability, accessibility via computer, in apps on smartphone and tablet, and ease of use. What can other research tell us about learning vocabulary? Student perception. A number of research papers suggest students having a variety of methods for learning vocabulary was a benefit for students. For example, Marco states that for learning vocabulary volumes of words, the learners need to rely less on the teaching process or on themselves and their own self-study practice. Gideon and Edward say most individuals represent indicate a desire for a variety of efforts in order to avoid boredom. Arnold and Bennett conducted a study that confirmed that testing also affects study positively as students become more aware of gaps in their knowledge and their learning is strengthened through practice. And then attack methodology. The first one, quantitative on using Memrise to learn vocabulary with Memrise self-study habits. And the second, qualitative. Look at students' self-report study habits and their experience of using Memrise. Five parts. The first, intrinsic difficulty of learning. The second is the experience of vocabulary learning. The third, vocabulary in context. The fourth, logistic and organization of vocabulary learned. And fifth, method and strategies employed in vocabulary learning. Let's see to the picture. This is the picture about free intervention that and this about free intervention analysis. The year's 11 students differ dramatically in the way they perceive the Latin language and process of vocabulary learning. And the next about the impact of using Memrise. The first, difficulty of developing long-term memories of words, and the second, the year 8 and 9 students will have less impetus from learning vocabulary and understandably see less important in regular vocabulary learning. Next, impact using Memrise and post-intervention findings. Advantage of the Memrise platform for learning. This is quicker to access, it us to learn the vocabulary quicker, so it makes sense to put aside some time for it. It's been so helpful. We were able to do it anywhere at any time. 2. Perception of environment. Convenient and its work we have improved thanks to this program. And 3. Sense of learning community can determine one's ranking feature prominently, and then there was strong sentiment about being behind others. 4. Meta-learning. Memorize repeats the words you get wrong and reinforce the words they consider more difficult. And then 5. Intrinsic motivation. The notion of comparison and scoring points for learning and reviewing words was perceived as motivating by the students. And the last, desire to change integral feature, although the second must then some students suggest change that words undermine the way in which memorizing inside need to work. Next, post-intervention analysis. Most of our students mention the advantage of memorize as a method of vocabulary learning, following close behind in this theme of meta-learning, which processes the greatest number of students. Quantitative data findings. Failed tests were performed for the red words and blue words, stratifying by year. Limitation of the research. The study is likely limited as it was not able to separate the well-known phenomenon of learning by regular assessment from any potential extra benefit from using memorize. And then conclusion. The quantitative data strongly support the superiority of memorize as a way of learning Latin vocabulary over the methods that students would otherwise self-select. The student found using memorize enjoyable and convenient, and therefore it would be useful to quality teachers on effort in teaching vocabulary. Based on the year-to result, it is possible that its improved due to memorize is at least partially due and the phenomenon of learning by regular assignment. Finish. That's all my presentation. Thank you very much for your attention.